Hey guys, so in this video we will learn how to make a looping animation in Blender 3D. So for that, the very first thing that we need is a loop animation itself. Now if you don't know how to make a loop animation in Blender 3D or in general, it's actually very easy. A loop animation will have its first keyframe and the last keyframe exactly the same. Okay, so it's not rocket science, it's very simple. Let me show you. I will just make a small looping animation. It's going to be a very basic one. So what I'm going to do is I'll just come here in the and I'll press 2, so it will just move it 2 units on the y-axis, and I'll press this dot here which adds the keyframe. You can see here on the timeline. Next thing, I'll just move this thing to 10 frame 10, right? And I'll just move like -2, so now it's 2 units in this direction on y-axis, right? And I'll again press this dot, which means it's animated. So now you can see that it moves still here, and on frame 20 it's going to be our last frame. So as I said, it's going to be exactly same as the first frame. So on the first frame we were at the 2 units in this direction, so I'll again just make it +2, so 2, right? And I'll add a keyframe. So now you can see that it's a looping animation. It goes exactly where back, but it's not looping, it's not looping infinitely. So for that, split the window and go to graph editor, and now select Y location, right? Because that's the only thing that we have animated, and then press N. Okay, what happened? Okay, so the key was stuck, sorry. Okay, so now you have to go to the modifiers and then add a modifier and then cycles modifier. So now here you can see on the graph editor that this the Y location animation is, this graph is going infinitely, right? No matter how much I zoom, it's going infinitely. Also, if I just play it here, you can see that it's looping, right? So this is how you can make a loop animation go infinitely in Blender 3D. So yeah, that was it. Thank you.